Uh, that's a little instruction how to install necessary libraries and compile your program for the first time. First, please close all instances of Arduino software to refresh the libraries. Next, you need to take a look at the file I sent you. So here we have two folders. The folder with the libraries and the folder with your program. This name can be different, but you always have some file with program, and if you go inside you have the file with the same name for Arduino. Okay, go up and go inside of the library folder. Here we have only one library, but you may have several subfolders. So now we will install it to your Arduino system. Right-click to the Arduino icon and choose Open File Location item. Here we have Arduino folder. Go to the Libraries subfolder and check if you have the library with the same name. If you have, make a copy. So create an empty folder. For example, with name libs backup, and copy your old version of the library to this folder. Check if you have it copied. Okay. So now you can close it, and now you go to the libs and sorry, wrong movement. Right click copy and right click paste. You will be asked if you want to replace. Yes, I want to replace for all files and for all folders. Okay, now you have the libraries installed, so you may close Arduino folder and go to your program folder. Open it and compile your program. If you see it, something like this, two white lines, just compile it successfully. Otherwise you will have some orange error messages. If you have some error message, please send it to me. Just make a copy like this and press Ctrl+C and send it to me by email or Skype. If your program is successfully compiled, congratulations. Now you may choose Comport and press Upload to have the file uploaded. Okay, that's all.